Hey there, everybody. Today I'm going to show you really quick how to sort and move your consolidated accounts in LiveFlow. Now to start, after we've added all of our consolidated accounts here, you go to this top icon here and see that we can sort between alphabetical or custom sorting. With alphabetical sorting, it's A to Z from top to bottom, which it currently is in at this moment. But with custom sorting, we provide a bit more flexibility on how you like to view your consolidated accounts. With the custom sorting, you have the flexibility to move your accounts where you like. To move, you simply go over the account you'd like to move, click and drag up and down to begin moving. With the custom sorting, you also can indent these accounts to make them a sub-account. To do so, simply do the same thing of clicking and dragging to the right. And there you go. That's how you move and sort your accounts in LiveFlow consolidation. Take care.